Neeraj has asked me a very pertinent question, which is actually a pet question of every SSB aspirant, as to how to commence your SSB preparation. Well, Neeraj, as you're aware that SSB is not really an academic test, but it is a very, very dynamic evaluation of your projected personality. You're also aware that there are three people evaluating you, the GTO, interviewing officer, and the psychologist. Now, these three assessors are going to evaluate you at your conscious, subconscious, and unconscious levels respectively. So if that be the case, it is almost impossible, unless you are exceptionally bright, to really put on a show or hide yourself or be somebody else that you're actually not. So when I ask this question to the candidates who come for training to Olive Greens, usually their answer is that, sir, if we cannot hide ourselves, the option left with us is to exactly reveal ourselves or be truthful, be honest, be the person that we are when we go for our SSB. Now, the question is that if you be the person that you are, or if you simply be honest, and if the personality that you are exhibiting is not really matching with the personality profile which is expected of a potential officer, do you think you will be recommended? Of course not. So therefore, now you need to understand that the first step when you commence your SSB preparation is to exactly know what is the personality profile of a potential officer material, to understand what are the essential ingredients of a potential officer. Now, once you get to know of this, the second step would be to exactly know as to where you stand in this scale. So, which areas of your personality are not really matching with the personality profile of a potential officer. You need to identify those. If you can do it on your own, very nice. If you need an expert's advice, then perhaps you will have to interact with an expert. But once you identify those areas of your personality that need a calibration, you will have to put in a lot of hard work to be the person that the SSB is looking for. And once you have acquired those traits, and once you are matching with the personality profile of a potential officer, then naturally you can be honest, you can be the person that you are, there is nothing to hide, and naturally you will get recommended very easily. Now, to commence your preparation on this, what I would recommend to you is actually the foundation for your ability or your being impressive as part of a group would be to be knowledgeable, to be able to speak anything under the sun, also to have good public speaking skills. Your communication skills should be so good that you're able to put across your thoughts with clarity and ease to anyone. Then naturally you got to be a group minded person, you got to be a warm person whom everybody likes as part of a team. Also, with all these attributes with you, you will naturally be confident, you will be able to take initiative, you will come up and perform, you will create a good impact on others and on the assessors, you will remain charged up and buoyant. So all of these things will automatically come to you, provided you have good level of awareness and you're able to convey your mind to others very easily. So start working on these two things initially, for which you could actually read our blogs on current affairs. You'll find them very useful. Prepare 1 to 2 blogs in your own words. Stand in front of the mirror and give a lecture to yourself, or form a small team or a group of friends and discuss these current issues with one another in English. So that will help you get rid of your shyness, and also it will help you improve your knowledge and your ability to participate in a team activity. Also, you can have a look at a blog which I have written some time back. You will find it useful, especially when you're commencing your preparation. The blog will be on our website called www.olivegreens.co.in. The keyword that you can enter to have a look at this blog is 10 commandments for SSB preparation on a day-to-day basis. So when you put this keyword, you will get this blog. Please go through it and try and follow this blog on a day-to-day basis, and you will realize it will immensely help you prepare for your SSB at your own level while you're carrying out self-preparation. Eventually, once you gain a lot of confidence, it may not be a bad idea to come and visit Olive Green so that you get expert advice, as also you are able to participate in a live group to see where you exactly stand. So these recommendations I would like to give you when you commence your preparation for your SSB. All the best.